Hello. Today I want to show you some of the options under the interactivity in the search element settings. I already dropped in 2 search elements, but let's check out the interactivity under the search settings. And we are going to focus on the label and the placeholder. You see that the default says search for both. Let's make changes to this bottom one so we can compare. Let's pretend you have a project where you are allowing your user to search for contacts. So we can label your search box contacts. And for the placeholder, you can allow your user to understand the format in which they can search. We can say last name, first name. Let's save and preview. So here in this example, we left the default search element as it is, and it says search for both the label and the placeholder. And in this one, we went ahead and added the label as contacts, and we're giving our user the format in which they can search for contacts in the placeholder. This way, they know that they will have to enter this last name first and then the first name.